My topic is image annotation task and introduction, literature survey, conclusion, and future scope references. Next is introduction of automatic image annotation. Automatic image annotation, also known as automatic image tagging or linguistic indexing, a process by which a computer system automatically gives metadata in the form of captioning or keywords to a digital image. The objective is to allocate a set of annotation keywords from a certain phrase book to an objective image. Next is basic process flow of automatic image annotation. First we take an input image and then we do a segmentation. In the segmentation we divide the image into various parts and then we apply a feature extraction classifiers, and then we apply a annotation techniques, that is manual annotation, semi-automatic and automatic, and then we get a annotated image in an output. First step is segmentation. Segmentation classifies the region of interest in a scene for annotation. It partitions image to local contents either through block-based or region-based method. Third, segmentation considers global as well as local features of an image. For segmentation on local contents provides more comprehensive information of images. Next is features extraction. Features can be extracted on global as well as local level. Second, global feature considers all image pixels, whereas local features consider a portion or object of an image. Two strategies are used to compute local features. First, partition an image into fixed size blocks from many variables shaped regions of interest. Commonly used low-level features for image representation are color, texture, shape, and spatial relationship. Next is annotation, a process of relating comments, keywords, notes, or other form of outside words to a document without changing the original document. Three types of image annotation are there: automatic, semi-automatic, and manual. Next is literature survey. First is a multi-expert based framework for automatic image annotation. In this paper, author presents an automatic image annotation framework that includes two streamlines to combine different feature spaces. Concept and feature prototypes are extracted in different spaces using gravity clustering. In training phase, a meta-heuristic search algorithm is applied to select the optimal space subset and related participation weights for combining those feature spaces in each streamline during training. To annotate unlabeled query image, the result of two streamlines are combined in the testing phase. To explore different aspects and abilities of the proposed framework, testing is performed on two standard databases containing 20K images. Further, the framework is compared with 16 popular algorithms. The experimental results obtained confirm the effectiveness of the proposed framework and show that it can successfully be used as an image annotation tool beside other algorithms that have proved their effectiveness thus far. Second, manifold regularized multi-view feature selection for social image annotation. In this paper, author proposes a manifold regularized multi-view feature selection (MRMVFS) for supervised problem. The method integrates four kinds of vital information from data, that is label information contained in labeled samples, label relationship, data distribution, and data correlation among different views of both labeled and unlabeled samples into a unified learning framework. The superiority of the method is established by performing experiments on the social image annotation task. Ontology-based annotation for semantic multimedia retrieval. In this paper, author uses video annotation system-based ontology to search videos quickly and more effectively. Analyzing keyframe consumes less time as compared to analyzing the entire video. Accuracy can be increased by extraction of keyframes using entropy along with pivot operator and nearest neighbor method. The proposed method can efficiently be used to generate the annotation of video keyframes based on ontology. It also supports easy retrieval of the videos from huge database. On the experimental set of videos, the proposed system is shown to achieve an accuracy of 88%. Fourth, connecting language and vision using crowdsourced dense image annotations. In this paper, author presents the visual genome to provide a multi-layered understanding of pictures. It allows for a multi-perspective study of an image from pixel-level information like objects to relationships that require further inference and to even deeper cognitive tasks like question answering. It is a comprehensive dataset for training and benchmarking the next generation of computer vision models. With visual genome, existing models may develop a broader understanding of the visual world, complementing computers' capacities to detect objects with abilities to describe those objects and explain their interactions and relationships. Visual genome is a large formalized knowledge representation for visual understanding, a more complete set of descriptions and question answers that ground visual concepts to language. Fifth, automatic annotation and quantitative description of ultrasound videos of fetal heart. In this paper, author presents a method for extracting key information from 2D ultrasound videos of the fetal heart at high frame rates, average of about 40 frames per second for the best parameter sets. A particle filtering based method is chosen to overcome the intractability of the recursive state estimation problem with the state definition and employed random forest based predictors for effective and discriminative observation potentials. The use of a relatively strong model of heart dynamics was found to significantly improve upon prediction on a frame by frame basis. The model is validated on real data gathered in a clinical setting with promising results. Future work should investigate ways to optimize systematically various parameters of the particle filter. Image annotation by propagating labels from semantic neighborhoods. In this paper, author proposes a 2PKNN method combined with metric learning. The method achieves either comparable or state-of-the-art results on the challenging image annotation datasets. Extensive analysis demonstrates that the method can be useful for annotation of natural image databases where frequencies of labels follow the long tail phenomenon. The work also showed that advanced feature extraction, encoding, and embedding techniques can be useful in improving the performance of existing methods. Authors believe that this work provides a new platform for evaluating and comparing the future techniques in this domain. And next is conclusion and future scope. In past, manual annotation task is explored but slowly increasing. Availability of number of images shifts the research trend towards automatic image annotation. However, the literature shows that there is no standard image annotation technique that work for all types of domains. Frameworks do exist which are optimized to perform well for a specific set of images for a specific application. In future, one may also think to utilize some new techniques and modify or update the recent approaches so as to achieve better results as compared to existing techniques. Similarly, the retrieval accuracy can also be improved by incorporating the concept to rank images within each of the categories resulted from the single labeling technique. Although the topic is researched from the past few decades, but still there is lack of standard vocabulary and taxonomy for annotation. Lastly, the processing and analysis of high dimensional features is also a very complex issue. And last, thank you.